order to prepare our users to be able to access ACT via the web, we need to create an impersonation account on the web server. We do this so that we can use this account to let our users pass through or access the resources that they need to get to ACT. They will still be required to log in to the ACT database, but this creates a little extra security for anyone managing that web server. If they needed to, they would be able to lock that account down. So in this video, I want to show you how to create the impersonation account on our server. Keep in mind though that this section of videos applies only to the ACT for web deployment type. Before we even launch ACT, I'm going to go into my Windows search bar here, and I'm going to type Computer Management, and then launch the Computer Management app. In the left side of this window, I want to locate the Local Users and Groups tool, and I'm going to click that. And then on the right side, I'm going to go into the Users folder. Now what we're going to do here is create a new user exclusively for ACT for web. So I'm going to right-click in this window pane and choose New User. Now you can use any user credentials that you want as long as you remember them once you go back into ACT. So the username I'm going to use is ACT Premium for Web, abbreviated. For the full name, I'm just going to type ACT User. And for the password, you should make this pretty secure. I'm just going to type in password though, for the purposes of this video. And then confirm it. Now, since this isn't going to be a real user who will ever actually log into our server, I'm going to uncheck this box that says user must change password at next logon. I'm also going to check the box that says user cannot change their password and password never expires. And now I'll click create. Now let's close this window and we can see that the APFW user now appears in our list. Next, we have to make sure that this user has the right kind of access. Normally, these details would be left up to the administrator of the website. We would let them choose the level of access that this impersonation account should get. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to give this account administrator access. So I'll right-click this user, and then I'm going to choose Properties. Now from here, I'll click the Member Of tab at the top, and I'm going to click the Add button to add them to a new group membership. The group I want to add them to is Administrators. So I'll type Administrators and then click the Check Names box. So that gets confirmed. Now I can click OK and Apply and OK. Just to double check this setting, if I go into my Groups folder and I double click Administrators, I should see my new APFW user has been added to this group. So everything looks good so far. I'm going to close Computer Management, and now our first step is complete. We've created our impersonation account in Windows, and next we can begin building our ACT website.